Hello guys, my name's Kit, and today I'll be unboxing the K-Touch i9. Now, this phone is pretty interesting because it's pretty small. One of the smallest I've ever seen, in fact. So here's what it looks like. Wow, that is small. Okay, to compare, here's an Axon 7, then here's this phone. Here's a Nexus 5, this phone. So yeah, that is pretty small. And it is a bit thick. But yeah, feels pretty nice in the hand. Let's see if it has any battery. So I bought it from AliExpress and it took about 3 weeks to come. Now what's interesting about this phone is that it has a USB Type-C, has a headphone jack, and when I bought it, I bought the model that had 3 gigabytes of RAM, and 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. Oh, interesting. There's a flashing light. Okay, that doesn't show up when I look at it, but it's only on the camera. Let's take this thing off. Cool. Wow, that is just so interesting. So tiny. And let's see. Let's look at the specs here. Hopefully I got the right one. System, about phone. So it has Android 8.0, which is pretty interesting for such a tiny Chinese phone. Android 8.1, kernel 4.495, whatever this build is. And let's look at the status. Let's see, could I get a... I want to know what RAM it is, but... Huh. Okay, go back. Okay, well, I need to download something in order to see how much RAM it has. But yeah, this one has 32 gigs of storage, which is good. That's what I ordered. Maybe in apps and notification, maybe I could see the RAM here. Nope. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's see what the keyboard looks like. Wow, that is tiny. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is kind of hard because I'm looking through my camera screen in order to type RAM. Nope. Okay. How about memory? Oh, deny. More. Nope. Okay, no memory. All right, I gotta download some app in order to find out. But yeah, it doesn't have the Google Play Store, so I'm gonna see if I could maybe get that on this phone somehow. But yeah, it's just so interesting. I'm just very intrigued by this phone. What is this button? What does that do? What is this? So we have a power button right here. Alright, let's see what else. So SIM card. Oh, it looks like it also supports an SD card. Interesting, okay. So this is plus minus, yes. And I don't know what that is. What is that button? Okay, well, whatever. Nice. Let's see what else is in this box. Right. I forgot about this. So we have a cable. an adapter, and this small little case here. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, we have a screen protector as well. Another one. Okay, this one's for the back. I see. Okay. Oh, wait. Let me... Right, okay, so we have one for the back and one for the front, looks like. Right, so that's what it is. Then we have some more information. Cannot read this because it's in Chinese. But whatever, okay. And let's put this on. So it goes on like that, okay. Yeah, it's whatever. Oh my god, this is just so... This is great. It feels pretty sturdy. Let's check out the camera. Camera app. Ooh, okay. This is weird. I'm looking at it through my camera screen. Oh, wow. Okay. I need to play around with this when I get the chance. Yeah. Alright. Let's put some phones out for comparison. So here's these two phones. Yeah. Alright. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching. This is the K-Touch i9.